charged. Kind of reminds me of a knife. When I originally picked up this Wuben Wuben flashlight, I was like, it's just a regular flashlight, but it looked kind of cool. Boy, was I wrong, silly wabbit. This thing has so many functions. I think I have to show them off and do like a full video on this thing. It's pretty amazing, and it's not that much money either. You have your switch here. That's off. That turns your sidebar light on, which can be controlled by the dial here. When you turn all the way up, it'll flash. Turn all the way down, it'll flash. This is good for reading, broad illumination. This is one that'll last 720 hours too, the dimmest mode. When you're in side mode, if you double tap it, see it'll cycle through the different colors. No adjustments. So from this side mode, regular light, if you hold it, you could change your color. So let's go to red, a darker red. Now double tap, it'll do a flashing mode. Double tap to go back to normal mode. Hold it to go to light mode. Tap it to go off. Then the second mode is your flashlight mode. When you turn that on, it has 4 different LEDs. That's down all the way, it'll flash. And when it's up all the way, it'll flash. But man, this thing is bright. That's in the daytime. I'll show you at night later on. The last mode is Moonlight mode, which is a little dim, but it uses all 4 LEDs. And then on the back, you have a little switch. Off, it won't do anything. First mode, it'll do a signal. As long as you hold it, it'll stay on. If you double tap it, it'll strobe. Flashlight, 1 tap turns the light so you can signal. Double tap does a strobe. In Moonlight mode, which is the last mode, if you tap it, it comes on and off. If you double tap it, it doesn't do anything. And as you can see, it has a lock there. Open it up. Takes an 18650 battery, which is lithium. Your USB-C charging port is right there. It does have a belt clip, or you can clip it on a hat if you want to use it as a hat light. You see the difference between an old Olight that I have compared to this Wuben X4. That is the Olight, and that's the Wuben. What a difference. You can't even tell that the Olight is on. Amazing. And it's magnetic. Let's see how this works. Definitely pretty bright. And you can put it down to Moonlight. That one is the Moonlight mode. Flashlight mode. Definitely dark up here. And then side light mode here. See if it's all the way up here. Yep. Pretty good ambient light. Like if the power goes out, it'll shine a room. Works pretty good. I think it works pretty good. Very bright for a little light. Measures 1.47 inches by 3.77 inches, and some other helpful specifications. They offer a bicycle handlebar mount, an orange diffuser for the flashlight, a red diffuser for the flashlight, and it comes in white, gray, or black. Vin Cheezel approved. If you're interested, I'll leave links down below. Thanks for watching. Want to win a free Wuben X4 flashlight? First one to answer this question is the winner. On my blooper reels November 1st, What kind of car was it that pulled out in front of me at the 1 minute and 17 mark? The winner will receive a Wuben X4 flashlight directly from the manufacturer.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.